Okay, good morning, guys. Today we're looking at something that you have seen before, something that you should be well practiced in, and I'm going to show you how to apply it in a new way by the end of this video. But what we are looking at today, as you can already see, is doubling. Now I'm just going to underline the definition I have created for us today, but doubling is when you add the same number to itself. Okay, so we are professionals at this. This shouldn't take us too long, but if at any time I am going to quickly, just pause the video and rewind. First things first, I want you to have a look at my pink squiggles I have over here. You can see I have 6 squiggles. I'm just going to show you something. I'm going to copy them and I'm going to do something else if it works today. Paste them. Now, what have I just done to my squiggles? Oh, whoopsies. I have just doubled them. Absolutely. So I started off with 6 squiggles and I've doubled them by copying and pasting them. So I have done 6 plus 6. Let's count them together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That shows me that 6 plus 6 makes 12. I'm just going to show you one more thing, guys, before I move on. Oops. Didn't mean to rub out that squiggle. Oops. I'll just leave the purple dot then. Okay, I have 6 squiggles. Oh, 12 squiggles. Oh my goodness, 12 squiggles. If I were to cut the squiggles in half, I have an even number on each side. So I've got 6 on this side and I have 6 on this side. That means 6 is half of 12. Okay? Half and doubling are best friends. This will make sense. 6 doubled is 12 and half of 12 is 6. Okay, so when I split 12 in half, 12 in half is, oopsies, is 6. Okay, because I've got half of it here and half of my other 12, half of 12 there. Okay, I'm just going to rub out some of my notes because they're getting a bit messy and I'm going to move on. Okay, I have some more dots down here. I hope you can see how many I've got. I've got 5 in the light blue and I've got 5 in the purple. How many dots altogether? 5 plus 5 is 10. Fantastic. And you can also see, I'm just going to change my color for you. Half, oh my goodness, half of 10 is 5. Because I've split all of my dots, I have 10 dots altogether, and half of them are inside the yellow box, and half of 10 is 5. I hope you're following. We're going to go through this really quickly because I know you guys are professionals, okay? So I want you to shout with me as I'm going to shout the answers, okay? 2 doubled is 4. 3 doubled is 6. 4 doubled is 8. 5 doubled is 10. 6 doubled is 12. 7 doubled is 14. 8 doubled is 16. 9 doubled is 18. And 10 doubled is 20. Fantastic, guys. That was really quick, really speedy, but it's good for us just to get our memories going. I want to bring your attention to our pink answers, our pink numbers here. What do we notice about them? Yes, they're even, so they can be split in half. And we are adding 2. Each time. Oops. If we can see 10 doubled is 20, what do you think 11 doubled is? Thinking about the pattern, adding 2 each time. If you said 22, you are 100% correct. Give yourself a tick. Well done. Okay guys, following along from what we just looked at, we are now going to just focus really briefly on how to double larger numbers. So just then you worked out 11 plus 11 was 22. Okay? So I just want to show you something else. If I've got a number like 12 plus 12, and I actually don't know the answer, here's a way that we can work it out. I want you to think, how do we make 12? I make 12 with 1 10 and 2 1s. Okay, and it's the same on the other side because we're doubling, so we're using the same numbers. 1 10 and 2 1s. Okay, so now I've got to think about, I have to add these 2 10s together and these 2 1s together. So what is 10 plus 10? Is that 20? Fantastic. And what is 2 plus 2? 4. Well done. So if we've looked at our answer now, we've just created 20 plus 4, which is another number partitioned, and that answer is 24.